Here we have a field of dominoes, actually called the termite mounds. You can come and have a look and read about it if you like. I'm no storyteller at the moment. That's what they look like. Bada bing, down the road from the lost city. Some people would call a pile of rocks, down to the dominoes. Some people will call the termite mounds. Catch you on the next video. There's a short one for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn the bell on. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. See ya. Strategically placed termite mounds. All right, we're out of here.